What does carbon neutral mean? Let's say you light a candle. As it burns, it releases carbon dioxide, CO2 into the air, a gas that traps heat and contributes to global warming. Now imagine if, somehow, you could remove the exact same amount of CO2 from the air that your candle just released. Then, overall, you wouldn't be adding any new CO2 to the atmosphere. That's the basic idea of being carbon neutral. So, what is it exactly? Carbon neutral means that the total amount of carbon dioxide CO2 a person, company, or country adds to the atmosphere is balanced by the amount they remove or prevent from being released. It's like this equation: CO2 you produce minus CO2 you reduce or remove equals 0. That's why it's also called having a net zero carbon footprint. How do you become carbon neutral? You can't always stop producing CO2 completely. For example, when you drive a car, use electricity, or fly in a plane. But you can do two main things. Reduce how much CO2 you produce. Use solar or wind energy instead of fossil fuels. Drive electric cars or ride a bike. Use energy-efficient appliances. Eat less meat and reduce waste. Offset the CO2 you still produce. Plant trees, which absorb CO2. Support carbon offset programs that fund clean energy. Or forest protection projects. Why is it important? Because too much CO2 in the air is heating up our planet. By becoming carbon neutral, we can help slow down global warming and protect the Earth for future generations. Many countries, companies, even schools, are trying to become carbon neutral by the year 2050. In a nutshell, being carbon neutral means you balance out the carbon you release, so that you're not adding to climate change. It's like cleaning up after yourself but for the planet.